Inside your body, a powerful organ works silently, every single moment of every day. It performs hundreds of critical tasks without ever asking for recognition. This organ is your liver, a true powerhouse essential for your survival and overall well-being. Many of us rarely think about our liver, yet its health is directly connected to energy levels, our digestion, our ability to process everything we consume. It is one of the hardest working parts of the human body, a complex chemical processing plant that sustains life itself. The liver is not just another organ, it is a central command center for your body's metabolic processes. To truly understand the liver's function, it helps to know where it is located and how it is positioned to do its job. Your liver is the largest solid organ inside your body, weighing about 3 pounds in the average adult. Its strategic placement is no accident. It sits right next to the organs of digestion, ready to receive and process everything that comes from your stomach and intestines. One of the most remarkable features of the liver's anatomy is its dual blood supply. It receives oxygen-rich blood from the heart through an artery, just like other organs. However, it also receives nutrient-rich blood directly from the digestive system through a large vein called the portal vein. This design ensures that the liver gets the very first opportunity to process these nutrients before they are distributed to the rest of your body, underscoring its role as the primary metabolic gatekeeper. The liver's role in digestion is absolutely critical, yet it's often overlooked. Its main contribution is producing a substance called bile. Bile, a complex greenish-yellow fluid your liver makes all day, every day. It's a powerful digestive juice designed to tackle fats. When you eat fats or oils, they arrive in the small intestine as large globules. This is where bile steps in, acting like a detergent to break big fat globules into much smaller droplets. Without enough bile, fat digestion is extremely inefficient. You couldn't absorb essential fatty acids or fat-soluble vitamins, vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. These vitamins are vital for vision, bone health, immune function, and blood clotting. Poor fat digestion leads to nutritional deficiencies and uncomfortable digestive symptoms. So when you enjoy healthy fats like avocado, nuts, and olive oil, thank your liver. Its constant bile production is a fundamental step in digestion. Once your food has been digested in the stomach and intestines, the nutrients are absorbed into the bloodstream. But this nutrient-rich blood does not travel directly to the rest of your body. Instead, its first stop is the liver. Here, the liver acts as a sophisticated processing and distribution center. It sorts through all the carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals that have been extracted from your meal. The liver then decides what to do with these nutrients, use them for immediate energy, convert them into other essential substances, or store them for future use. Carbohydrates, which are broken down into simple sugars like glucose, are a primary source of fuel for your body. After a meal, when glucose levels in the blood rise, the liver takes up the excess glucose. When your blood sugar levels drop between meals or during exercise, the liver quickly breaks down this stored glycogen and releases glucose back into the bloodstream. The liver also plays a vital role in processing proteins and fats. Amino acids from proteins are used to build essential substances like albumin and clotting factors, while fats are processed for energy and cholesterol synthesis. Beyond its roles in digestion and metabolism, the liver serves as your body's primary filtration system. It is a master of detoxification, working tirelessly to neutralize and remove harmful substances from your bloodstream. Every drop of blood in your body passes through the liver multiple times a day. These can include substances we consume, alcohol, medications, chemicals from our environment, as well as waste products like ammonia. The liver uses a sophisticated two-phase process to render these toxins harmless, converting them into water-soluble compounds that can be safely excreted through bile or urine. In addition to filtering out toxins, the liver is responsible for maintaining a delicate balance of many crucial elements in your blood. It regulates hormone levels by breaking down and removing hormones once they have served their purpose. The liver also manages blood sugar levels with incredible precision, storing or releasing glucose as needed to keep your energy stable. When your liver is functioning optimally, it keeps your internal environment clean and stable, protecting every other organ and system from damage. The liver's role as a purifier and regulator is a silent but powerful safeguard for your entire body. Your liver is the silent, hard-working foundation upon which your overall health is built. Its tireless efforts in digestion, metabolism, and detoxification support every other system in your body. Protecting this vital organ is not just about preventing liver disease, it is about promoting vibrant energy, efficient digestion, hormonal balance, and long-term wellness. What can you do? Center on a healthy lifestyle. A balanced diet is paramount. Focus on whole foods, fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, healthy fats. Limit processed foods, refined sugars, unhealthy fats. Stay well hydrated. Limit exposure to liver-harming substances. Moderate alcohol consumption. Use medications only as directed. Keep active. Regular exercise prevents fat buildup and boosts liver metabolism. Caring for your liver is profound self-care. Listen to your body, nourish it with wholesome foods, reduce its toxic burden. Pledge to your liver. Preserve the foundation of your health and keep your body's most valuable player functioning at its best.